Greetings from the garage, everybody. It's a spring but feels like summer Saturday. What you're seeing before you is the slightly younger cousin of the one behind, which was always our mock-up. Both are genuine New South Wales Police motorcycles, both being BMW K1200GTs. The difference being, and those of you who follow this channel will understand why I love the difference, no hole in that front mudguard right down there, which means it's general duties, and ta-da! A VIP bike. Very similar to the VIP Honda, which as you can see is almost done. Anyway, this one is going to get a strip down to convert it away from the civilian 2 seats with the big back box and all the rest of it, and this will have lights and sirens fitted to it. There's a bit of work to do. Very common problem with these bikes is the ABS system, so that beast under there has a very bad reputation for failing. It's all down to maintenance though, really. I think that one can be saved, but we'll see. General cleanup, because it's disgusting, or was disgusting, and just covered in filth from right up there to right down there. So keep watching the channel. There'll be an update coming in about 3 weeks on the 2006 BMW R1200RT, again New South Wales Police. Update on the conversion of the K1200 right in the middle there. That one will be finished in a couple of days, and the 99 VIP, so we'll have a VIP set, 87, 99, 2000 for the Olympics, and 2005. So keep watching, and of course, don't forget that one. That's the 79 Kawasaki. You see just under the mess of bodywork, she's standing on her own shoes for the first time in a very long time. So updates to come on all of these. Keep watching, stay safe, laugh a lot, and be kind to each other. Greetings from the garage, and I'll see you all soon.